In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.2, question 2, part 13. And the 13th part is integral cos of 2x minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos of 2x dx. What we will do, we will make some arrangements. Minus 1 plus cos of 2x, we will write down numerator like this, while denominator is the same. And then if we will take minus common, so it will be 1 minus cos of 2x divided by 1 plus cos of 2x. Then you have to find out what is 1 minus 2x equal to. So here is sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos of 2x divided by 2. So see, 1 minus cos of 2x divided by 2. We do not have 2 here, so we will cross multiply. It will be 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos of 2x. So for this, instead of 1 minus 2x, we will write down 2 sine square x. Similarly, cos square x equal to 1 plus cos of 2x divided by 2, but we do not have 2 in the denominator, so we will cross multiply. 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos of 2x. Now we are going to put the value. 1 minus cos square 2x is equal to 2 sine square x. For this, we will write down 2 cos square x. This 2 will cancel, so we have sine square x divided by cos square x. So sine square x, sorry, if I forget, you have to write down please dx as well. Okay, do not forget to write down dx. Sine square x divided by cos square x equal to tangent square x. So here we will write down negative tangent square x dx, but we cannot integrate tangent square x ds directly, so we will make it tangent square x is equal to secant square x minus 1 dx. Now we have two terms, so we will integrate individually. This is secant square x dx minus dx. So this is equal to minus secant square x is tangent of x. This minus minus will plus x plus c. So this is the answer, right? So here again I will say that you should know the formulas very well. Simply you have to put the formulas and then you have to do the integration. But if still any point is not clear, without any hesitation, you can ask me. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.